The Nikon Z8 introduces the Show Effects of Settings feature, revolutionizing the way photographers interact with their camera's live view. By enabling this option, the camera's display accurately reflects exposure, white balance, and other settings in real time. This creates a true "what you see is what you get" experience, allowing users to preview exactly how their final image will look before pressing the shutter. As a result, photographers can make more informed creative decisions on the spot, enhancing both intuition and efficiency during shoots. The Nikon Z8 offers a range of viewfinder settings designed to enhance your shooting experience. One important feature is the Show Effects of Settings option, which allows you to preview how your chosen exposure and picture controls will affect the final image. To access this, navigate to the Camera menu and look for the Custom Settings section. Within this menu, you'll find the option to activate or deactivate Show Effects of Settings. Enabling this feature helps ensure that what you see in the viewfinder closely matches your captured photo. Enabling the Show Effects of Settings feature provides photographers with immediate visual feedback as they adjust camera settings. Changes to exposure, white balance, and picture controls are instantly reflected on the camera's display. This real-time preview helps users see exactly how their adjustments will affect the final image. By offering direct visual confirmation, it streamlines the process of fine-tuning settings, making it easier to achieve the desired photographic results. The ability to see exposure changes live in the viewfinder, known as WYS-IWYG exposure, transforms the shooting experience. Photographers can instantly observe how adjustments to settings like aperture, shutter speed, or ISO affect the brightness and mood of their images. This real-time feedback allows for precise control over lighting, making it easier to achieve the desired atmosphere for each shot. By visually assessing the impact of exposure changes, creative decisions become more intuitive and efficient. Ultimately, WYS-IWYG exposure empowers photographers to craft images that accurately reflect their artistic vision. Real-time white balance adjustments allow you to instantly fine-tune the color temperature of your images as you capture them. By making these changes on the fly, you can ensure that the colors in your photos accurately reflect the true atmosphere of the scene. Whether you're shooting under warm indoor lighting or cool outdoor conditions, this feature helps maintain natural tones. The result is a more authentic and visually pleasing image that closely matches what you see with your own eyes. Picture control adjustments like standard, vivid, or monochrome instantly transform the look of your images as seen through the viewfinder. These settings allow photographers to preview different color tones, contrasts, and moods in real time. By experimenting with these options, you can refine your personal style and make creative decisions before capturing a shot. This immediate feedback encourages exploration and helps ensure your photos match your artistic vision. Utilizing real-time feedback in photography offers significant eco-friendly advantages. By instantly reviewing shots, photographers can minimize unnecessary retakes, which reduces both energy consumption and digital waste. This approach also helps conserve battery life, as fewer shots mean less power used during a session. Ultimately, adopting real-time feedback fosters a more sustainable workflow, supporting both creative efficiency and environmental responsibility. In conclusion, activating the Show Effects of Settings feature on your Nikon Z8 can truly transform your photography experience. This powerful tool allows you to see real-time changes as you adjust your camera settings, giving you greater creative control. By experimenting with this feature, you can better understand how different settings impact your final image. Embrace the opportunity to explore and elevate your photography with the Nikon Z8's advanced capabilities.